All right, that was our Sara Lee family size classic pound cake. I let it thaw out, and now we are going to bring in our trifle dish and just put that. We only want to put about half of it in there actually right now. So let's take out some of these pieces. Silly me. Now we're just going to move this out of the way. Okay, and now I'm going to bring in my large bowl. And now I have 2 cups of freshly sliced and washed strawberries, 2 cups of freshly washed blueberries, and then we have 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar that we're going to put all over our fresh berries. Oh yeah, this is just gonna set for a little bit and it's gonna be real yummy. So our berries are gonna set for about 10 minutes. Now we have a large mixing bowl and I have 2 cups of heavy whipping cream here that we're just gonna pour right in here for this lovely summer dessert. Super easy, it's gonna be beautiful. You're absolutely going to love it, okay? And now we have some powdered sugar. And I was gonna measure this, but I changed my mind. So we just need 1/4 a cup of powdered sugar. It's okay if we do a little more. We like things sweet. And then we need some vanilla extract, just 1 teaspoon. We are making homemade whipped cream. So now we're gonna beat this until it forms stiff peaks. All right, you guys, we have stiff peaks. You see that? All right. Now it is time to assemble our trifle. Our berries have been releasing their juices. And now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add half of our berries right on top of our pound cake pieces. Now we're gonna take our beautiful homemade whipped cream and we're gonna add half of that right on top of our berries. Oh my gosh, you guys, this dessert would be so perfect to take to church, to make for a party, any kind of gathering. I'm telling you right now, it is so good once all these flavors meld together. Oh, and it's so pretty. It's gonna make you feel so cool and fancy when you make this, and you're gonna feel really good because everybody's gonna love this. Okay, and now we're just gonna spread that nice fluffy whipped cream on top. You can totally use Cool Whip if you want to make this easier, but I thought we would go fancy today and make our own whipped cream. So just spread that out from edge to edge so that it creates a nice, beautiful layer in the center of everything. Okay, and now we're just gonna repeat our layers. So we're gonna add the rest of our pound cake on top. Spread it out nice and evenly. Oh, this pound cake is so soft and delicious. I just wanna eat it right now, but I can't because we're saving it for the dessert. Oh, that looks so good. Just press it down a little bit. And now for the rest of our beautiful summer berries. Oh my goodness. This is so yummy. Oh, and it's so easy to make. It looks like it's hard, but it's actually really easy. All right. Spread your berries out a little bit once again. There There we go. And then you're just gonna take, of course, the rest of your whipped cream. Put that right on top of everything. Make sure you use all that whipped cream. It's okay if you don't, because you can scrape the rest out, have your kids lick the bowl, have your dogs lick the bowl, or even your cats. Everyone loves this stuff. Everything loves this stuff. Okay, now, of course, we're just going to spread out the top layer. And of course, we have some more fresh berries for topping. We're just kind of gonna throw them on just to make it look nice and elegant and pretty. Oh, and you could do this with other fruits too. You don't have to do strawberries and blueberries. I just thought those were like perfect for summer. And those are just some of my favorites. What other fruits would you guys do this with? Let me know. I find that very interesting. I dropped a blueberry. Okay. I think that's good. What do you think, David?
Yep, looks great.
I think that looks really nice and fancy. Look at these beautiful layers. Doesn't that look awesome? Okay, guys. Now this is my least favorite part, but we must do this. We need to chill it in the refrigerator for 1 hour to allow the flavors to meld. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is ready to eat. The flavors have melded together. It looks awesome. Ooh, okay. Let us just dig into this first layer right here. Oh, wow. Oh, that pound cake and those fresh fruits. Let's move our plate closer. Oh. Oh, yeah. Look at that. You see that? Oh. Just gotta get a nice bite for myself. Mmm. Mm-hmm.